Welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading over to a mechanic shop to help my friend or my neighbor. I'm gonna be fixing his suspension on his new M4. He bought a 2018 M4 Competition for a really good deal at an auction, but the only problem is it has front end damage, so we need to try and get the suspension fixed. So we're gonna head over to the shop and see how much damage is involved and see if we can get it fixed and on the road so we can get it driving and also figure out what else is wrong. And we'll hopefully try and revive this M4 so we can get some more M4 content on the channel, some mods, and some maintenance done. So I'll see you guys at the shop. Alright, so quite a lot of damage here. Looks like the strut snapped in half. Also disconnected from the top hat. And we got a few bent arms. Hopefully the steering rack is okay.
You think that side will buff out?
Probably not.
It'll probably buff out just a little bit.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Oh, it's just sitting on this wheel right now. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, the tow truck driver dropped it out. That was the only way we had to.
Hey, the struts actually work. The hood struts.
Yeah, the hood's good. So the hood, see, look, it's busted from here.
Yeah.
Other than that, the whole hood is good. Just the hood is busted. They're gonna fix the hood.
They can just rebend it as needed.
Yep. So these are upgraded. Can you see if the turbos are thing? Could you see it from here?
Turbos are at the bottom, I believe. Bottom or in the back behind this thing?
I think there's one here. There's one there.
Twin turbos on the bottom, yeah. Oh yeah, how's the headlight damage looking?
Yeah, this all bad's gotta be replaced.
Oh yeah.
It's just toast.
You can't. That's.
So I
that's
think
an
I might.
expensive fix right there. Too.
Yeah, this is like $1,500 used right here.
Yeah.
The crazy thing is,
any of these things.
Yeah, hopefully if I find one, if I get one from a dealer, I can
just
rebuild
rebuild it.
over the modules.
Yeah, you can rebuild it.
I ordered this piece already, this brace. See, I thought the damage was bad because this thing was sticking up, and when I saw it, was just this brace that was bent. Because look, this, when it got pushed in, it just bent that whole brace.
Oh.
So they gotta pull the body out, you know?
Hopefully the subframe isn't bent.
I think it's good because we were underneath the car.
Yeah.
I looked at the whole thing. I mean, you can't really see the covers there, but I saw the whole thing. There's no damage or nothing underneath.
Yeah.
Everything is just from the top right here. Nothing on the. See, look at the door line. The door line, it basically didn't get hit below that, you know. So everything is kind of just on the top right here.
It's all just this damage right here.
Yeah. And look at the way the spring basically got pushed in. It got pushed in like.
I don't know.
So hopefully
we'll try to reuse the spring, but it might look like it's kind of bent. Or maybe
we'll see when it pops open.
Yeah, when it pops out, we'll see if it's bent. Yeah, but overall, yeah, we'll try to get the suspension changed out and then hopefully get it drivable on the road for a
Look at this.
JB4.
JB4, and it's the new one too with the aluminum case, you know?
Oh yeah, yeah. There might be a couple other goodies on this car that we don't know about.
Okay, so JB4, I mean, you got to see the exhaust underneath it.
Interior, DCT. No airbag deployment on the steering wheel. Nice Alcantara steering wheel. We've got something deployed right here. We've got deployment of the seat airbag right here. Nice seats. Carbon roof. 2018, so it has the nice updated iDrive. Yeah, some nice modified goodies in here, but a lot of work to be done. Can't close the door either. Replacement control arm, not sure if this is upper or lower. This looks like an upper control arm, I guess. And then another new strut and some jacks. Let me open the strut up.
So this got everything in it.
Yeah.
So in case we could use a spring, we could just transfer it over.
Oh, that's a used one, huh? Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
$300 used.
Oh, that's expensive.
For an EDC fucking strut.
Oh yeah, I forget, it's EDC. EDC is super
Brand
expensive.
new was like fucking $1,200 for one strut.
Right. Got some oil here and the old strut out. Yeah, that's what the oil looks like, if you're ever wondering. Looks like blood. That's the top half of it that connects here.
Busted.
Yeah, pretty busted. Here's one of the old control arms, and here's the new one. So that's a pretty good bend. Let me get this new one back on now. So we got the new strut on, and we've got the new arm in. I think it's the control arm or the wishbone. But now it's the wheels back on, nice and straight, as you can see. Spins. So now we can get this car rolling, and we can get it into the shop, and they can fix and bend everything else that needs to be done. Keep the V-brake on. Shift the gear. Can you go into drive? Hey, it works! Haha! It's in drive. Okay, we'll put it off the jacks, and then maybe we'll go a couple feet forward and back.
How do I put it in park?
Go to neutral. Neutral. There you go, and then shut it off.
That's how it goes to park?
There's no park on DCT.
I'm barely hitting it. Oh shit.
Put that down.
Fuck, the jack will come up.
This side sits really well with the lowering springs, but unfortunately this one still needs to change out a few more arms. It's pretty much in a tricky spot. Okay, well anyways, let's try it. Just the fender moving. I'm holding this door open or closed. God 360. 360 cam works.
There's good?
Yeah. Hey, at least you can see most of the rust got wiped off pretty fast. Rear is still a little rusty. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this kind of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna have some more videos on reviving this F80 M4 on the channel, so please stick around and see what happens next to this car if we're gonna get it back on the road. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.